Hi, we will be making this fun interactive rocket card. The files can be found in the description below. The finished size is 5 by 7 inches. Upload the file to Design Space. Here are all the elements for the card. Click Make It to continue. The elements are color-coded. Just need to cut with the match color cards. Some colors only use small size of cardstock, like green, sky blue, red, and white, so we could use scrap paper, even orange, but I don't have orange scrap, that's why I use a new one here. When peel off the cutout, be careful with the small parts, especially the 2 dots under the exclamation marks. I like to put small elements in a container so they don't mix with the scraps. Yellow is the main part of the card. There is a small flame also in yellow color. Put it together with the other small parts. Here are all the cutouts. Put together all the small elements first. Glue together. Watch out the 2 little dots for the exclamation marks. Glue the top wording with the second layers. I use foam dots at the back for the second layer. Now all the elements are ready. Grab the 2 little mushrooms and 1 ring. There is a folding mark. We fold here, same as the other one. Put length through the ring. Apply glue and align the mushrooms and the ring. This is going to be the fastener. Hold the fastener. Grab the big circle with a hole in the middle. Put it through. Put this piece through next. See, there is a hole bigger than others on this piece. Put the fasteners through the hole. Last, grab the ring and put it through at the back. Fold the 2 legs here and glue. Now the glue is dry. It's working well. Fold the yellow piece along the dotted line. Glue them together. This is a starry night background. They will all come together now. Put the words at the bottom left. You could do straight or tilt a bit. Just be mindful that it doesn't get in the way when spinning the rocket. I use foam dots here for the Earth and the rocket ship. This is so fun. Double check nothing blocks the rocket ship path. Glue the wording, then we are done. I choose "Have a Blast" as the main message, so it can be used for many occasions. It is interactive, and as usual, I have made it easy to assemble. Hope you enjoyed the design. Thank you for watching.